Oracle team uses True Pre. True Pre is an exceptional pre-workout formula that's been created by True Protein. It's one of the only pre-workout supplements I've seen on the market that delivers 250 milligrams of caffeine per serve, which has been shown to be the effective dosage of caffeine. It has citrulline malate, it has BCAAs. These two compounds together work to help deliver them in a better way. As a pre-workout formula, it tastes great and it's effective. And for us at Oracle Team USA, that's exactly what we're looking for. All of True Protein's products are packed in-house at their certified food facility. And this results in the chance of a banned substance or a contaminant being pretty much non-existent, which is a massive positive for the team. True Protein's focus on sourcing only the highest quality products. It separates from the rest of the competition really in terms of protein and other sports-related supplements.